Are you serious about it? You got to let me know. Can I count on you?
High society girl, living in a high society world. High society, high society, high society.